Yes. Terima kasih for the question. Yes, it's a very important question that what is the contribution of Islamic banks in providing stability and supporting economic recovery? So, when it comes to Islamic banking, we have to be mindful of the fact that they are operating in a very competitive industry where they have very low market share. In most of the Muslim majority countries, the share of Islamic banking is much lower than conventional banking, and also they are not having the level playing field in most of the countries. Alhamdulillah, in Southeast Asia, there is tax neutrality given to Islamic financing transactions, but still in a lot of countries, the tax neutrality is not provided to Islamic banks. So they are operating in a very competitive industry where they have low market share and not a level playing field, and they are operating in a very regulated environment where the central bank is basically um, managing the whole financial system and regulating the banking industry. So Islamic banks do not have much room to play their role beyond the mandate that they have from their shareholders and also from the regulators. But still, Alhamdulillah, there are empirical studies, especially done by Southeast Asian scholars, Dr. Hafez Furqani, and also some other Malaysian scholars, who have shown that Islamic banking growth also has a positive link with economic growth. And also in the post COVID-19 recovery, governments in many countries came up with different kinds of financial solutions or subsidized financing products. And what I've seen is that, especially in my part of the world, the Islamic banking options were liked by the clients because they were riba free, and also they liked them because of the competitive pricing and also good service which is being provided by Islamic financial institutions. So yes, when it comes to the subsidized financing facilities which are offered by government, where they are giving both the options, the conventional option and also the Islamic banking option, people in most of the Muslim majority countries would prefer the Islamic banking option. But when it comes to providing welfare services or social assistance, in that we have to see that whether Islamic banks can play their role in an extended way or not. And in some cases, the social finance, the Islamic social finance chips in and fills the gap. So when it comes to providing relief to the poor and also to the unemployed and providing uh, assistance to the underprivileged class, definitely banks would not be in a position to provide them financing because people would not be able to afford the pricing based financial products offered by Islamic banks. But to support those people, we have instruments in Islamic social finance, the instrument of zakat, the instrument of cash wakaf, and also sadaqah, and also Islamic microfinance. Alhamdulillah, Indonesia has Baitul Mal wa Tamwil, and a lot of other countries also have very good examples. Like in Pakistan, there is a Khuwat, which provides interest-free loan to millions of families. So Islamic economics altogether, with Islamic social finance and Islamic commercial finance, does have solutions to provide stability to the economy and to cater to the all classes of society. But Islamic banking in particular would be a little bit constrained to enter in all product segments and to provide support and relief to all different classes. But at least when it comes to commercial finance, they are playing their role. When it comes to sovereign financing, when governments basically issue sukuk, we have seen that in almost every country, sukuk are subscribed very easily, and they are even oversubscribed. So Islamic financial institutions have enough appetite and liquidity to basically invest in sukuk, which are offered by governments and as well as the private sector institutions. So Islamic banks are playing their role, but definitely they would not be able to do each and everything. We also need to have enough Islamic social finance institutions to complete the whole financial ecosystem and to cater to all the different segments of society.